Most traders lose money not because of they are bad, but because they don't really understand what the market is really doing. In this video, I am going to show you the three candle formation that appears before almost every big market moves. You have seen them before, but no one have ever really explained why they matters. By the end of this video, you will never see them or look at them the same way again. This video is not all about indicators, neither this video is all about guessing, and this video is not about overtrading. This is about structure, interest, and how the market moves money from the weak hands to the smart money. Every big move in the market follows a process, and every process that moves the market repeats itself again and again. There are three key pattern formation that forms in the market before any expansions happens in the market. If you understand just those three patterns, you don't need to chase trade, you don't need to overtrade, and you don't need to enter late from any position. Let me break down, let me break them down one by one, step by step, slowly and clearly, so that you will really understand what I'm talking about these three candle formation. You can really know that whenever, first of all, welcome to this channel. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, you better hit the subscribe button, like, and drop your comment for the next video you want me to talk about. This is clarity that I'm going to be breaking down for you here today. So you always notice that whenever we want to have any change of structure, that we always have some three candle formation that always form in the market. Some of the times you always see a bearish move, a bearish candle, then you see a candle that swept liquidity but did not close above the bearish candle before we see some displacement. This usually happen in all time frames, not just the lower time frame, but all time frames. Whenever we are seeing any move going maybe to the lower lows, let me use the lower lows for an example. Whenever you see a move going to the lower lows, and sometimes at some point you will see some move down or down before you will see some spike to the upside that always break structures. You have seen this you've seen this formation several times. You've seen this chart several times that displayed on your chart, but you've not really paid attention to this candle formation. You may have seen those patterns before, but seeing something is not the same as understanding why it is important. That is why we are fixing it today in this video. The market does not move randomly. Price sets a trap, then creates imbalance, and finally expands. Once you understand this structure, trading becomes clarity, not stress. Now think back. Think back in trades you've taken in the past. You've really seen this pattern formed in the past, but you've not really have any way or any understanding about these three patterns. These three patterns always show in every time frame, be it the 1 minute time frame, be it the daily, weekly, monthly, or any structure where market first sets a trap, then sweep liquidity before running to the other side, setting this this move here. I'll be diving down to the chart so that we can have more clarity about this methodology here. I am saying this really happens, sorry, not here, not this I want to draw. This really happens this formation where the market first come, make some lower lows, make some lower highs, then you will see the market will tend to sweep the last low before making another move to the highest structures, displacing to the highest structures, creating an imbalance at the structures before we could see another move. Tap maybe to the 50% of the zone or tap to the 60% of the zone before having some move to the upside. This really happens in almost all time frame. All time frame. I believe me, it really happens in all time frame. So this is, hold on, this really happens in all time frame, like I said, and this is clarity that I'm saying here. These three candle formation that always form here before we see lower lows and we'll see higher highs that is going. But these higher highs, we always don't expect these higher highs to close with a long bullish or bearish candle at this point. We always want this second displacement at this upside to leave a sweep of liquidity or create another structures or another candle formation to the lower side. Always anticipate whenever you see this structure like this, the third candle always displays to the downside. And if you are actually anticipating this if you're actually anticipating this kind of move at this place, if you're actually anticipating this kind of move, always anticipate these structures from a very key point, not just anticipate it from random areas or just pick up entry points from random areas. This is clarity. This is going to give you more understanding in the market, not stress. Check well, you've seen this happening 100% of the time in every asset. You don't need to learn everything in trading. All you need to do is master a few things deeply in trading that will earn you a lot in the future. Those three candle patterns formation can ever change your life ever in trading and can ever change the way you watch trading. I can say again, if you've not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel because this is a very good channel and it helps trader build edge in the market. So let's go to the chart so that I can show you these three pattern formation. This is the Euro USD and this is the 4 hours time frame on Euro USD. This is where we're going to build our structures to know more what I really thought about in these three candle formation that we saw here. So at this point now, you can see that Euro USD is making lower lows and lower highs at this move here. We are just creating lower low structures and lower highs structures at this point. As you can see, before Euro USD created these lower lows and lower highs structures, we had this we have this pattern that formed here. We displaced to the downside, we displaced to the upside. This is the higher time frame, 4 hours. So when you go to your maybe 15 minutes or 5 minutes candle structures, you can see this pattern that happened here. You can see it happens in all assets. So let's still use here for a better understanding. You can see from here that when this market displays to this downside, we came along, the highs we swept the highs here and we displaced to the downside, but we did not come to the downside finish. We created another structures here before displacing to the downside. This really happens in almost all the whole time frame. As you can see from here, let's bring out this candle formation we did here. Did you see what just happened here? We saw this lower lows that was coming. Before this lower lows displays to this huge amount of candle, if you enter this trade here, you would have gotten a lot of pips to the downside. Before this trade displays from here, you saw that we had this three candle formation that really formed inside this place. Let me bring out it. You can see we did this lower lows, we left this liquidity at this zone here. This is number one. This liquidity, this is number one. This bearish move, you can see where I'm saying it. Number one, we displaced to this downside. Number two, we have this sweep of liquidity above this angle. Number two. Number three, we saw a displacement, and after this displacement, we need to see a little retest above the 50 or 60% discount area before we have a displacement to the downside. I've already talked about this video in my previous video, so if you've not watched my previous video, you will go and watch where I said about this 50% displacement area. People that anybody that watched my video, my previous video, would have understand this. But if you not understand it, the 50% area, that is where the 50% area that this movement, the third candle, that is where you should anticipate that the market needs to come and retest before you can see any potential sell from the downside. You can see it here, 15% area. This gives you a very strong tighter stop loss and gives you a very good risk to reward in case of you're finding any good risk to reward. You can see this gave us almost 9 risks to reward from this point here to this, from this 50% discount area to here. This is a very huge 9-to-1 risk to reward. This gives a lot of risk to reward. So let's still come at this future. Let's still come to this future price action right here. This future price action, you can see when we after we displace to this downside from this angle, we displace to this lower lows here. You can see that this market is trying to reverse again to the downside after we tested to this FEJ that displays this low fair value gap that the market actually left for us at this point. It's showing that maybe the buyers might step in from this fair value gap right here. Let's still go. Let's check more how we notice that this is the real place that we can tell. Like you can see, after we made these lower lows, we were just making lower lows, lower highs displays. This was the last displaced. If you should mark out this last displacement from this lower point to this higher point, you can see that we had a 50% retracement at this point. This is where the discount zone is, this 50.60% zone. This is the last discount zone at this point. You can see after this 50% zone was retested, it retested to this fair value gap inside this long bearish move right here. So let's still go to candles. You can see how everything is actually in conflict with what we were saying at this point. Let me make it well so you can see it more clearly. So as you can see, inside this 50% zone that we were actually anticipating, if the market should tap, we can be seeing some buyers from some move from to this angle. You can see this chart pattern also presented itself here You can see it here. This is not this market structure. This is real market structure. This is not like I'm trying to trick you in something or tell you something that don't work. This is real price action. This is how the price really moves. This is how the price really moves. The price does not move with any other distance. You can see it. One, first move. Two, sweep of liquidity. I guess you've seen this when I was saying it. Sweep of liquidity. Then the third displacement, which this third displacement is going to happen here. Should be the place that you would have been anticipating a sell setup from, a sell orders from, or a sell order from. This would have given you a strong tighter stop loss and a very strong risk to reward, maybe 1 to 2 risk to reward, 1 to 1, the way you normally trade, the way you always target your position. This would have given you a very good risk to reward and very strong tighter stop. If you entered it from here or you entered it from here, it's still the same. This would have given you a very good risk to reward. If you are doing 1 to 2, 1 to 1.5, look at 1.5 is out, 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 2 did not really hit, but almost hit. So this should give you your own way and your own methodology. You would use your own methodology to know how this really to know how this really works. This can give you 1.2, this can give you 1.5, but at every distance this really works. Okay, let's still use this as example. You can see this market was making all the trend was bullish momentum. As you can see, at a point we came down before we wanted to make another higher highs. You can see we made these lower lows and we displaced to the upside, and we swept these lows right here, and we had this little formation right here that I talked about before we see a tap down. This tap did not really come in well, but it's also a tap. I'm making use of trading view, so if you're looking for the platform I'm forecasting this analysis from, sorry. So you can see it. We made these higher highs, we made this lower lows, sweeping the lower lows, made this move, made a retest here before moving to the upside. Really this is really working in all time frame, so you can go and make your own more research about it, because this is literally working. It's literally working. You can still see it here. This is the Euro USD. You can still see it here. A sweep, a tap to the upside, structured, tested 50%. We see a displacement. This really works. It really works in all time frame. Even here you can still see it here. It works 1 to 1. So you can go and refine more about these three candle formation. It really works. It really works. I always apply this whenever I am trading. It really works. These three pattern formation here, I've literally given you a roadmap so that you go and make your own refinement more about this video here. So I'm done with this video. Peace out, and drop your comment. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video, so that other traders that is finding it difficult to get an entry point in the market will see a very good entry point. So peace out. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to click the button on the bio and join our free Signal group there. It's actually free for you. You can see whenever I say buy or sell. So join, and if you're looking for mentorship, you can also send a message through the Telegram group. We can always guide you and tell you more methodology on how to enter any trade. Peace out, and I love you. I'll see you in my next video.